everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, love is in the air. We are talking about Uzalo. Now that Pastor Gwala is heading up KKC, he need a good woman by his side. But what if his choice is the wrong one? Pastor Gwala's choice is the former drug addict, prostitute, and the daughter of Kwamashu's biggest gangster. Pastor Gwala will win the battle of Kwamashu Kingdom Church and become a pastor, and he will start spending more time with Zeketelo, going on walks and jogging together. It won't be long before sparks start to fly and the attraction becomes too strong to ignore. They will go on a date and everything will be well. The pastor will decide to take the relationship to the next level, starting by introducing Zeketelo to his congregation. Will the church accept him? Or Mama Madlala or Mbata? No, everyone knows Zeketelo's past and they won't see her fit to lead the church as Umamu Mfundisi. The pastor, being crazy in love, will defend Zeketelo with the belief that no one is perfect. But that is not the only reason he accepts Zeketelo with her flaws. The pastor himself is not clean. He have a darkest, deepest secret, and he doubts that Zeketelo will accept him as he have accepted Zeketelo with her dirty past. Could that secret be the one Mamlambo has been dreaming about? Please do leave your comment below and share your opinion. What is the pastor's secret? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.